Nothing quite compares to the distinctive taste of a great wine. It's magical. It sets the mood. It's a game changer. Every pour has meaning. Every drop has a story. Every taste stands for something. The Minnesota Timberwolves and Chankaska Winery have teamed up to create something that represents our team and our territory. A lineup of 3 exquisite brands made straight from the finest grapes around to be served exclusively at games and events. Each wine is unique in nature, crafted with perfection, bottled with history, and delivers a harmonious mix of savory experiences. Enjoy a glass of greatness this season at Target Center.